viewers, as I promised you that I'm going to help you make 2021 the best year ever of your life. Today I have brought you some tips using a very simple ingredient that you can easily find in your kitchen, which will help you manifest money, love, job, career promotion, whatever you want to manifest. But before that, make sure you have subscribed to my channel and have activated the bell notifications to receive all the notifications for my upcoming videos, because we have to make this year the best year ever. Okay, so without any delay, let me tell you the secret ingredient that you can find in your kitchen and you can change your luck almost immediately without spending a single penny. Because if by any chance you don't have this in your kitchen, you can order it from the link given in the description. Magical ingredient I'm talking about is green cardamom. Or use it regularly in kitchen and it has many health benefits. It's easily available anywhere. Today I'm telling you how we can use cardamom to get money, love, job, promotions and much more. If you're suffering from lack of money, you must try this simple remedy. Take 5 cardamoms in a green cloth. Keep it in your purse. This simple remedy will miraculously solve all your problems. You'll be surprised by the magic. This has helped so many people and it is a proven solution. Try this and you'll be surprised with the results. If you are struggling to find the love of your life, take 5 cardamoms in a yellow cloth, donate it to a needy person with some money or fruit or whatever you can afford, Thursdays and Sundays. Do it for 5 weeks and you will see that it will get you a loving life partner, the love of your life. If you are facing difficulties in your job, in your career, you're not getting promoted, do this. Keep just 1 cardamom in a green cloth under your pillow overnight. Next day, give this cardamom to a needy person for eating with a bit of money or fruit or whatever you wish to offer. This will remove all the obstacles or problems in your career. Last but not the least, a remedy for students or for your career. Boil cardamom in milk and give it to someone needy for 7 Mondays. This will get desired results in your exams, studies, career and job opportunities. Try doing these things. All these solutions look very simple, but they are tried and tested. Thousands of people have benefited from them. Do it with faith and you will experience the magical benefits of these simple yet powerful remedies. Remember, together we have to make 2021 the best year ever of your life. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share with anyone who you think can benefit by using these simple remedies, because sharing is caring.